Hello and welcome to Words on Marvel on the Reader's Advantage. My name is Aki Odidi. Today's episode is devoted to the advantages of individuals and businesses planning ahead. The title of this episode is therefore Thinking Ahead, Planning Ahead. One of the secrets of successful individuals and leaders is the ability to think and plan ahead. When individuals and businesses plan ahead, they know with the benefit of hindsight that there is the possibility of facing personal and business challenges and situations that may not be favorable to their individual business pursuit and growth. They know that the unexpected may happen in their personal and business pursuits. Although they may not have all the solutions to these challenges and situations, they are able to put in place contingencies that will later become handy. Planning ahead means that you are not caught unawares, and even if you are, you can possibly deal with the aftermath. Individuals and businesses that are forward-thinking in their approach therefore develop practical steps to help stay ahead of challenges. It was the Chinese philosopher Confucius who once said that a man who does not plan long ahead will find trouble at his door. When individuals and businesses plan ahead, they are able to readily identify and assess risks and opportunities before they become apparent. This way, associated risks can be clearly weighed, categorized, and prioritized with a clear response plan put in place to respond to the identified risk. They can also plan on how to tap the identified opportunities before they become accessible to other people and businesses. Individuals and businesses that plan ahead of time have been identified to reach their goals and fulfill their vision more quickly. This is because forward planning helps to readily put in place the vehicles to achieving the identified goals and vision. Forward planning helps individuals and businesses to keep sight of goals, which also serves to motivate them. Planning ahead helps individuals and businesses to develop the confidence to take the risk that others may not take and move ahead without worrying about competition. According to Alan Larkin, planning is bringing the future into the present so that you can do something about it now. When individuals and businesses plan ahead, they are able to have a clear direction for their goals. They are also able to monitor their progress towards the attainment of these goals. Planning ahead gives business leaders a deeper understanding of their businesses. Apart from the benefit mentioned above, below are the other advantages of forward thinking and planning. Firstly, individuals that plan ahead feel more in control of their day-to-day life. No more haphazard walking or running around, not knowing what to do or where to turn to. Individuals and businesses that plan ahead are able to revise already deployed plans based on newly available information, data, knowledge, and constraints. Also, planning ahead helps individuals and businesses to avoid duplication of work and effort. Random activities and overlapping effort can also be avoided, which allows for available resources to be maximized. Whenever people and businesses plan ahead, there's clarity in tasks, which helps to accelerate growth and development. When individuals and businesses plan ahead, they become proactive rather than reactive. They are not dictated to by trend, as they are already ahead of the trends. As a result of being ahead, proactive businesses and individuals are able to help their employees to focus on the task at hand and ahead. This focus in turn helps to improve individual and collective performances. In the words of Pablo Picasso, our goals can only be reached through a vehicle of a plan in which we must fervently believe and upon which we must vigorously act. There's no other route to success. When we plan ahead, we extend the horizon of our possibilities by acknowledging the fact that all may not be plain sailing, but we have in place contingencies to deal with any individual or business challenge. The alternative to not planning ahead is to live life haphazardly or run our businesses aground. This way, we are simply living our lives to the vagaries of life. In the words of Benjamin Franklin, if you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. Whether in our individual lives or in our businesses, let us imbibe planning, as planning helps to make our dreams come true. Let us plan our work for today and for every day, then work our plan by planning ahead. Are you interested in watching or hearing a weekly podcast that will inspire and motivate you to want to do and achieve more? Then do not forget to subscribe to the Reader's Advantage YouTube channel today. It's my weekly podcast to energize you for the week ahead. Thank you and God bless. See you again soon. Bye for now.